Welcome to our channel. Managing location history on Telegram helps protect your privacy. Here's a quick guide to view, manage, and clear location data in Telegram. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top left corner of the screen. This opens the main navigation menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu. This takes you to your Telegram account settings page. Step 4. Tap on Privacy and Security in the Settings menu. This section contains all privacy-related controls for your Telegram account. Step 5. Scroll down to find location-related settings. Look for options like Live Location or Location Sharing Preferences. Step 6. To view active location sharing, check if any chats show live location status. This indicates you're currently sharing your real-time location with someone. Step 7. To stop sharing your live location, open the chat where you're sharing location. Tap on the active live location message and select Stop Sharing. Step 8. To prevent future location sharing, be careful when sharing your location in chats. Always choose Share My Location for a one-time share rather than Share My Live Location. Step 9. Review location permissions for Telegram in your phone's settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and select Telegram. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Telegram, Permissions. Step 10. Set Telegram's location permission to while using the app or ask every time instead of always to maintain better control over your location data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.